Now he does. Better lighting angle for you. There you have it. Key West permit right here. Iowa Saltus 3000. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Awesome amount of color on them. He's just hanging out with a school of all his closest buddies, and we're going to let him go and let him swim off, and maybe we'll catch him another day. There's a bonefish. That one did not care. He's with a couple of his buddies. He was on his way running out of here. I thought they were spooked, but I just figured maybe they'll stop. This one did. Ton of power. Smoking me. Awesome. See if I can grab them. Just barely hooked on there. That is your Florida Keys bonefish right there. Check that out. On the bucktail jig, like I was saying. No shrimp. They're aggressive on it today. Awesome fish, awesome fight. Let them go. Cool, huh?